Hello there, Philip here, and welcome to Totally Amazing. Today, I'm going to be setting myself a physical challenge. I'm going to be drawing with my left hand. Is it possible? Can I do it? I don't know. This may not be a beautiful piece of artwork by the end, so bear with me. Here we go. So it's in my left hand now. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be following along on my how to draw a chibi, and I'm just going to be drawing the head because I think that's my easiest video that I can do. So let's see how we go. Wow, I'm already scared. Oh wow, oh this feels so weird. Draw a circle. Okay, okay. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Keep going, keep going. So I'm drawing my cheeks here, so I'm gonna go around. Oh man, this feels so weird. I feel like I'm fighting myself. My hand like wants to do something else, but it's not gonna, it doesn't want to do what I want it to do. Oh wow. Okay. This is totally amazing, guys. Great, I'm following him really well. Okay, so we're drawing the lines, circles on the base and the center here. Oh wow, this is so weird. Oh, come on. My hand wants to grab it and take over. Like, this is how you do it. Another circle over. Oh. Look at that. It's a squiggle at the same spot. That's weird. Try that again. Yeah, oh wow, that's interesting. Like my hand squiggles at the same spot there. Okay, that's different. All right. Okay, so I'm putting in a little smiley face down here. See, I don't know whether I should be pressing hard or pressing softer. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm drawing the top of it. Oh, wow. I should try that way. Go back and forth. There we go. Oh, I'm fighting myself. So I've got my... It's weird, I know what to do, but my hand doesn't, so I'm trying to follow myself and, oh, it's, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my ovals for the actual, oh, yeah, no. What is that? Bring it around. Oh, my hand squiggles. Let's see if I can do it faster. Nope, it squiggles either way. I'm drawing my ovals for the eyes. Oh, my halo over here. My halfway. Oh, what? Man, this is gonna look like a ghost or something, like all spooky with lines. Ugh. I do the same on this side. Oh, wow. Just gonna flick out straight away. Oh man, I'm still making that same little squiggle there. That's interesting. Curve at the base. And now I'll try it fast. Nope, that doesn't help at all. Oh, how am I gonna do this angle? Oh. Very badly, it seems. Oh, wow. And my hand makes the same mistake. What is wrong with you? Okay, so I'm drawing my pupils. Nice ovals. Curve. Oh, that didn't look like a curve at all. Oh, wow. Halo. Okay, good. Draw my guides for my hair, so I'm going to do this real light because otherwise it's going to not be too good. And then I got my ear down the base here. Oh, what? That's not cute at all. That's the wrong way. Ah, it's not going the right way. Listen to me. I mean, look at this. This is just, okay. Just keep going. No, this is just going to be some random, oh no. Hair bits. I'm not going to do it exactly like I probably should. Oh, basically because I can't. My hand doesn't want to do it. What did I do there? Okay, that's good. I'll hook that around. So bring that back. Oi, oi. Oof. Oh wow. I'm trying not to use my right hand. I'm putting it behind my back. No, that's even worse. Oh man. This is crazy. And I'm just gonna bring that straight down. This is gonna be really rough. Oh. No, oh, come on, Philip's left hand. You can do it. I believe it. Oh no. Nope, maybe I don't. Oh wow. Maybe if I make that high. There we go, that might work. See, it doesn't matter whether I go fast or slow. My hand's still doing that weird squiggle thing. All right, so let's just finalize with the, I got my little bits of the hair elastics, and my nice wavy hair. So I want pigtails. Just gonna do it nice and simple. My actual video on how to do this is actually pretty good. It's quite easy to follow. Thank goodness, because my left hand didn't come to play. Okay, so let's do the other side. I'm quite happy with that. And then I go into drawing the body. I'm not going to draw the body. I'm just going to draw the head. So now is the scary part. I'm going to be inking this now. I'm going to get my medium pen and try and ink this schmozzle. Okay, I might still talk through this because it's my left hand and it's going to be just interesting to see what comes up. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to go, I might try this way. Okay, yep, good. I think at this point, if I sort of have to work fast. Okay, you know what, I'm just going to cut that bit right out because that's what my hand did. Oh, a bit squiggly there, Maybe this person's just come out of the bath. No, their hair would be straighter then, wouldn't it? Oh, wow. Oh. My brain keeps thinking it's used to doing it from, I feel like I have to think in opposite. It's really different. Just follow the lines, Okay, oh wow, that barely touched. Okay, let's just go with it, whatever. Oh, that just feels so weird. Flick out, come on, flick out, you can do it. Hey, there we go. So that's what I'm trying to do. Here we go. Not bad. Okay, the face itself. So I'm sort of going for that. Here we go. Yeah. And just do it. That's not bad. If I guide my hand about what it's got to do first, that sort of helps. Now this side I'm more worried about. So is it that? Or should I do that? No, I've got to go from here. Oh, it come up a bit. I think it's still going to look like what it's supposed to look like. All right, mouth. Yeah, that went heavy. And okay, not too bad. Okay, the eyes. The eyes, there needs to be a certain level of detail for the eyes. So okay, I can do it. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on. That's looking good. Stay with me. Oh, I didn't get that weird wiki before. Oh no, that's in that part there, isn't it? So I still got to get to that. Oh man, that's all right. Going good. The actual eye bit itself. This is gonna be interesting. I want something like that. Come on here. Come on, lefty. You can do it. Oh, I missed the paper. Just that. You can do it. Just that. There we go. Oh, here we go. Now this is where I get the wiki. So let's see if I get it right. Oh, that's a little wiki, but not too bad. Oh no, there it is. There's the wiki. It happened just there. Okay, that's not too bad. Oh, hand acted a little confident there. Just went. All right, so let's try this eye now. Oh man. At least it landed that time. Come back. Look all right. Oh, not bad. Just make it little. That's cute, that's good. I like it, it's okay. I'll let it pass. Okay, base of the eye, come on, we're nearly done. Here we go. Okay, it's just that. Okay, land and do it. Oh, not bad. Oh man, it still gets that wiki. It's not too bad, but we're getting there. All right, inside of the eye. Oh no, it wikied hard. Oh, it did it on the same side. That's weird. It's sort of wikis there and a wikis there. There, and the eyebrow. Oh wow, yeah. All right, let's finish it off. Let's do the hair with the hair elastic and the actual hair. Okay, so this one, I did all right when I drew it. I just got to have confidence that I can, just keep it smooth, keep it going. Don't second guess yourself. Oh, okay, that went a bit cross-eyed there, but that doesn't matter. Bring it around, keep it confident, just keep it going. Nice, 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 nice. And, oh, okay, now we're gonna go from the cheek. Oh, wow, some parts I was fine with, but some parts I just know instinctively that they're gonna be a bit of a tricky. Anyway, last one. Follow through. Hey, not bad, not bad. All right, so this is it ink, and you know what, I'm gonna use my left hand to rub it out, and we'll see what we ended up with. Oh, even rubbing out feels weird. Oh, wow, that's different. I don't feel like I had the same control or strength to it. Oh, wow, that's weird. I thought this would be easy. All right, well, compared to the original, it still looks like what it's supposed to look like. Do I want to draw with my left hand a lot more? No. No, not at all, not at all. But considering it was my left hand, that's actually pretty good. I wasn't sure how bad this was going to be. I thought it could have been a complete nightmare, but that's actually better than I thought it was going to be. So yeah, well done, Lefty, you did well. Thank you. Okay, so that was how to draw a chibi with my left hand. And fortunately my video was actually good, so I could follow along quite well. And if you want to follow along too, check out the video right now on how to draw a chibi so you can draw your own chibi. And you can even use your dominant hand if you want to.